So after this, what I'm gonna here show you is my codes. Here is the codes. Here is the codes that I have created. It's basically sorry, let me show you. This is the code of drag and drop mp3 player which I have created. It's sorry, that's my mistake. I will show you this. This is the code. Okay, I will take it up. I will just this is the code that I have created just for this mp3 player. Here is this mp3 player code, and it's about 900 lines of codes written in it. 900 lines. Yes, I will not show you all the lines just because it's too clumsy. So what this does, this code has a I will show you that I have maintained a database for it, and this database, and there is a database specifically specifically for this playlist. I will show you where is this database is. The database is present where I will say this. Sorry. This is the database, init database function which I have created specifically for this. This is the database that I have created for this playlist. I will show you that this drag drop mp3 player, when you click on this, there is a playlist. This playlist is placed in this database. This database this is a SQLite database which creates a database in the user computer at C drive. Well, I'm not, it's really very tough task to find it. I will show you later time. Well, it's somewhere here where the user application directory is installed. Is basically where the user application directory is installed. There is a database which created this. Okay, I put it in that database, which is an SQLite database. This is an SQLite database. Okay, so this SQLite database consists of this. Now for revolver, now this is a ripple function. What I say? Hey, let me show you something. I've done something wrong. Okay, no, sorry, this is the database. Sorry for wrong. This is ripple function. This is rippler function basically. This is the database that helps for file. As you can see that variable file, connect new SQL statement, connect trace, create a table if not exist. This is a database file which is created by the name playlist.database. This is the file name, playlist.database. Okay. Now rippler function. This is a rippler function. Actually, this is a original license. This is a license code copy which I have implemented in my languages. Just I have modified it. That's why I have put this to also this license NASCOM library also. So here is this function is not fully created by me. It's open source, but I have modified it according to my repellarity function, which is this water effect function. I will show you this water effect function. Sorry, this water effect. This sorry, my mistake. This water effect function is because of this rippler, and this is the rippler AS file which I have created specifically to drive this rippler function. Okay, so here is a driver, and here is all I said the file which help in this rippling function. Now after all this music player, I will show you another thing which I called it. No, I have one thing more to show you. This is, it's like let me show you time real time chat. The circular thing that I have created is also done through coding, not any visual effect. It's just done because through coding. I will show you that where I have put it code put down. This is the code of that circular thing. Menu sort, so that the move carousel, this circle moves according to this x position and menu item dot y position is equal to 3D math sign functions and math code functions. All I have to implement for this. And if there is event dot interface function that help him moving that circular dock. Okay, now talk about chat server. This is created with SQLite database. Now this this is created with MySQL server. I will show you. Here is the MySQL. This is chat.php file. Let me show you. See, this is chat.php file which parses SWF movie clip. This is SWF movie clip which is integrated in chat.php, which runs this chat.php file, and this is an AS3 HTML embedded file. So I will show it. Sorry, it's opening. I will show it. Open with Dreamweaver. I will show you this file. I have embedded in HTML. Actually, it's a quite easy stuff, so I can't take credit of it. It's just I embedded it. Okay, but this is a chat.php file which I have created through Dreamweaver, a PHP parser that parses all the commands issued from this file to this file, and this parser will enter all the data in the database. Where it's the database? You are asking, probably you might be asking questions of where is the MySQL database which take this. So I will show you that MySQL database is present. Here it is. Okay, administrator. Here is it. I will show you chat. This is basically the chat files. I will manage your databases. Open up, please. This is social network, and this is chats. This is the database. It contains all the chats that has been occurred previously, and this PHP parser file parses all the chats and displayed it here. What can I say? And display it. Displayed here, and it contains an embedded SWF file. Now I will show you that what I have done. Here is the section 1, which corresponds to the section 1 of what I say is real-time chat example, which corresponds to section 1 of this chat. This is a section 2, which corresponds to the section 2, where it's gone, which corresponds to the section 2 of this PHP file. This is the section 3, which it's basically kind of I have divided the programs in the modules that transfer data between them. It's just like a layered uploads in the networking. So what I have implemented, what we have studied in the class, I have implemented it practically. I have implemented this layered approach in this action script. So here is this action script rippler. Yes, real-time chat. Where this gone? Okay, I'm sorry. This is, and this is the section 3, which corresponds to the section 3 of this PHP file. So the section 1 sends data to this section 3. Section 2 of this sends data to its section 2, and section 3 sends data to its section 3. And I have also included, this is a filter. What can I say? That this is a filter. Helps in removing, filtering for any intruders. So anyone who's trying to hack can't hack it, just because this is a filter function which help in filtering all that. You have seen that erg replace, I have stripped all the slashes, replaces everything that can be used to corrupt the database, and everything I have removed it. So it's kind of a real kind of a stuff that no one can hack it. So that you can see that when I put this kind of 7, let me see that Priyansh, I will enter any kind of Let me show. I can use this kind of stuff. It's filtered out. You can see the plus 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 is filtered out. So this kind of plus 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 minus 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 and all this dollar signs that can be used to hack the database is all filtered up. See, plus sign is filtered up. So that's what I can do, and thank you for watching my video.